What's going on, YouTube? T Wells here, back with another video. Shout out to Brandon. He asked a very good question. He said, T Wells, man, how do you stay in shape? How can I improve my physique while working shift work? All right, guys, there's gonna be four things that you're gonna need to do to get in shape, stay in shape, or improve your current physique while working shift work. First thing first, guys, you have to eat better. Okay. Number two, you're gonna have to get more active. You have to join the gym. Number three, you're gonna have to rest properly. And number four, you're gonna have to be consistent. All right, let's get into the first thing. Eating better. Nutrition is important, guys. You have to eat healthier in order for you to get in better shape. There's no way around it. Okay. What I do normally, I use myself for example right now, is I eat 80% clean, 20% of what I want. So in a normal day, 4 out of the 5 meals I eat are going to be very healthy, guys. That's breakfast, the first snack, lunch, the second snack, and then dinner. I may go get something quick while I'm out. I might be grocery shopping. I might go to the mall. It's just I can be out and about. I will grab something. Or I got a craving for something. Like grab me a slice of pizza or something. Okay. 4 out of the 5 meals are going to be clean on average every day. This makes it easier for me. Also, too, guys, I drink a gallon of water. This gallon jug here makes it a lot easier. If you see, it has the times on it. Sometimes I'm ahead of schedule, but I try to be as close to being on schedule as possible. I have a link for this down in the description below. So a gallon of water, guys. You want to eat as clean as possible, at least 80%. And you want to eat a lot of protein. Make sure your protein's high. You want to eat vegetables. Make sure you get some carbs in there. And then your fats are falling in as well. Okay? Number two, guys, you have to get active. You have to join a gym. This is where you're going to get your best results. I suggest you join a 24-hour gym. It just makes it easier. Some of the companies that you work for, some of the oil companies, they actually have gyms on site. I don't know if you want to continue to go to work while you're off work, but that's an option. It's 24 hours. That's the main thing you want to focus on, is the accessibility to the gym, okay? You want to work out at least 4 times a week, guys. It looks very simple. Monday, Tuesday, take Wednesday off, Thursday, Friday, okay? You can do various workouts. You can do full body all 4 days. You can do upper body, lower body. Take a day off, upper body, lower body, okay? You can do chest and back. And just the list goes on and on, depending on what you're trying to go after, depending on what you're trying to bring up. It's a lot of different things that go into it, but you just want to be in the gym. You want to work out for at least 30 minutes, guys. Preferably an hour, but 30 minutes at the minimum. Okay, 4 days a week. All right. Number three, resting. Guys, you have to rest properly. So instead of go back to the gym thing, you don't want to work out 4 days in a row and then rest for 3 days and start that cycle again. You want to break it up. Always rest after 2 days of exercising, 3 at the most. But on average, 2 days working out, take your rest day. Guys, when you rest or when you're sleeping, especially when you're sleeping, the body regenerates all the cells. It kind of heals itself, and that is very, very important. That's the only way you're going to improve your physique. You have to eat better, work out, and rest properly. All right, and the fourth thing, guys, is being consistent. Okay, real easy. Get you a calendar. Guys, once you put it on the calendar, stick to the calendar as best as you can. If you're going to work out every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, stick to it. Guys, in a month, you start seeing results. The next thing you know, 2 months, 3 months, before you know it, you will have the physique that you desire. Now, it's going to vary from person to person. If you're a smaller guy or a smaller woman and you're trying to build or gain weight, okay, it's going to be the same thing as if you are a bigger person, bigger guy, bigger woman, and you're trying to lose weight. It's going to take time, guys. On average, and this is through what I see with my clients. It's going to take roughly at least 12 to 16 weeks. Okay, 12 to 16 weeks. You'll start seeing a change in your body around week 5. Okay, usually if you stay consistent by week 5, you look at your pictures from day 1 to the week 5 pictures, you're gonna see a complete difference. All right, that's all you need, guys. That's how I stay in shape, and that's how you can do it too. Hey, let's go over it again. Number 1, you have to eat better, drink a gallon of water. Number 2, you need to get active, join a 24-hour gym. Number 3, you need to rest properly. And then last but not least, you need to be consistent. All right, guys, quick announcement. October 1st, I'll be dropping a book on process operations, everything as far as the ins, the outs, my experiences, everything dealing with process operations, guys, as well as a course that's gonna get you from A to Z, get you in this career field the most efficient way, help you out, get you to this money as quickly as possible. All right. Well, that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.